Did a software update break the GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get GalaSoft running again. Don't let GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4 slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4, a foundational library for apps using the Model-View-ViewModel MVVM pattern on WPF. It manages the localized data binding and navigation. If missing, specialized modern utilities will crash immediately upon launch, citing a COM component initialization failure. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. If your software is failing because of GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4 DLL, the internal file mapping for GalaSoft is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Using an incorrect or unverified version of GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4 DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped GalaSoft MVVM Light WPF4 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.